In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the League of Legends client not opening. Start by right-clicking your taskbar and opening Task Manager. If it doesn't open that way, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time. On the left side, select Details and find every League of Legends and Riot Games process. Right-click and end task on each one. Make sure you get all of them, including LeagueClient.exe and RiotClientServices.exe. Now reopen League and let it load. If it still won't open, then right-click the League of Legends shortcut on your desktop, select Properties, head to the top and click the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK, and open League again. If it still won't open, then open the Riot client, go to the top right and click the profile icon, go to Settings, select League of Legends on the left, and at the bottom, scroll down and select Repair Game Files and hit Repair. Click Start Repair. Wait for it to finish, as this could take up to 30 minutes. Don't close the client while it's running. If the client won't open at all, then use the standalone Riot repair tool from the Riot support site and run it as administrator. If it still won't open, then search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Start menu and open it. On the left, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings in the top right and allow another app. Add LeagueClient.exe, RiotClientServices.exe, and vgc.exe. Then tick both private and public for each one. If you use a different antivirus, add those same files as exceptions there instead. If it still won't open, then it's time to reinstall. But be aware this deletes your local files and signs you out. So have your login details ready, open Windows Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps, and uninstall League of Legends. Then delete the Riot Games folder, which is at /Riot Games by default. Now press the Windows key in R, type %local app data %, and press enter. Delete the Riot Games and League of Legends folder in there. Then restart your PC. Go to the official League of Legends site and download the installer. I'll include a link in the description. Right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator. Wait for League to fully download and install, as this can take a while since it re-downloads the whole game. One thing to know before you go, if you see an error code starting with VAN, that's the Vanguard anti-cheat, not a file problem, so repairing it won't fix it. On Windows 11, make sure TPM 2.0 is enabled since Vanguard needs it to run. And on Garena or some regional servers, the in-client repair option won't be there. League of Legends client will now open. Let me know in the comments if you found the video helpful.